But we're going to see Disney soon on August 10th. And they're going to be the arbiter. If people didn't go to the theme parks, I think that's wrong. Then I think you'll say, okay, well, maybe we hang out with Meta. But, and you said that Meta's being exposed this week, NBC, but I think that they need to make it easier to use. And GameStop has to become the principal supplier of it. He did what I said with NFTs. Now he's got to do what I said. It's the great, legendary Ryan Cohen, who, by the way, like nobody at Chewy's willing to affiliate with at all. I go, unless Chewy is, but Jim, will you please stop saying he founded? I said, hey, all right. I mean, ice cream, I don't know. Where
exactly.
is the guy?
The ice cream.
Where's Adam Aaron when you need him?
The tweet that will never die.
I mean, they had the guy from IMAX today.
Rich
Galvin usually sits there.
Yes.
But we didn't have Adam Aaron. Maybe we'll get him later in the week.
There's the opening bell. CNBC Real-Time Exchange here at the big board. It is consumer goods packaging company Silgan Holdings, celebrating 25 years as a public company and its first day of trading at the NYSE.
Oh, very good.
At the NASDAQ, AFS Intercultural Programs, a global not-for-profit, ringing the bell for the first time in their 100-year history. Jim, seasonality in August is kind of neither here nor there. Right? So it's not like we need to worry about seasonal historic trends.
No, but in 87... the last week of August pretended really bad things to come. And they tried to hold it together in September, and they failed in October. So I care more about the last week of August when there were very, in really bad times, at the end of August, you saw actual pre-announcements again. We didn't have many pre-announcements this time other than the horrendous Walmart one.
Well, and to that's in part why earnings estimates haven't really come in.
Yes.
Savita at B of A this morning does argue that earnings estimates, they need to come in.
Yes, I think they do, but I also think that stock prices have come in. So the stock prices preceded the earnings cuts, which then precede what people just think you're de-risking. That there's been a lot that's de-risked, meaning that the stocks are ready for some disappointment. Obviously, if it's right in your face, like oil today, it doesn't matter. But Chevron had such a good number, you have to expect Chevron showing you that, look, you may think that oil is lower and it matters, but what will happen is that the numbers are going to be incredible. So will the numbers be considered the last good number is how I think they're interpreting refiner.
Yeah.
And that's very positive for inflation, very negative for a lot of the oil and gas. I still think oil and gas in America is just extraordinary. And I don't think that very good article in Bloomberg this weekend about how, forget it, that OPEC can't flood the world like you think they can. But this is very daunting, these declines in oil there. Very daunting.
Gosh, for a moment there, we cracked below 93.
No, I've been saying for my Chapel Trust, we're long a lot of oil. We're long about 9% oil because we just think that there's just not enough in the world. And that if China, this is, I think, reflective of China, reflective of PMI, reflective of a bunch of numbers.
Yes.
Germany retail.
German retail sales worst on record.
Spain factory.
Yep.
So people just feel like, look, oil's really slowing down. But I think it's the demand side that's not as important as the supply side.
Right.
I want to see the supply side flood the world, and that is not happening.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.